Good morning. In this video, we are going to discuss about testes. Okay, a pair of testes present in male being. Generally, the testis is embedded in scrotum or it is enclosed by a scrotum. Okay, a pair of testes present in a scrotum outside of the abdomen in male being. Getting me? Right. Next, testis perform a dual function. Okay. See, it acts as a primary sex organ and also it acts as an endocrine gland. It acts as a primary sex organ. It acts as primary sex organ and also it is a endocrine gland. Okay, right. See, it acts as a primary sex organ. Okay, because of it produces the what it is sperms, so that it is considered as the primary sex organs. Means it produces the gametes. It produces the gametes, sperms, and okay, it acts as an endocrine gland because it produces the hormones. Getting me? Okay, right. Here, see, it is considered as cytogenic organ. See, the testis is considered as cytogenic organ. Okay, because not only it produces the gametes, sperms, but also it produces the hormones, androgens, male sex hormones. Getting me? Right. See, next, the testis. See, the tunica albuginea, the layer or the peritoneum, which divides the testis into 250 testicular lobules. The tunica albuginea, which divides the testis, each testis into 250 testicular lobules. 250 testicular lobules. Getting me? Means that each testis is divided into 250 testicular lobules. Okay, each testicular lobule contains 1, 2, 3 seminiferous tubules. 1, 2, 3 seminiferous tubules. Getting me? See, each testis is divided into 250 testicular lobules with the help of what it is, tunica albuginea. Again, each testicular lobule contains 1 to 3 seminiferous tubules. Getting me? See, outside of the seminiferous tubules, there is a space, or the space which is present in between the seminiferous tubules is known as interstitial space, or the region which outside of the seminiferous tubules. For suppose this is about one testicular lobule, and these are highly coiled the seminiferous tubules, and the space which is present in between these seminiferous tubules, that is known as interstitial space. What it is known as interstitial space. And the cells which are present in this interstitial space are known as interstitial cells of Leydig. Okay, and the cells which are present in the interstitial space, they are known as Leydig cells. Okay, are interstitial cells of Leydig. Interstitial cells of Leydig. They produces the androgens, and these interstitial cells of Leydig produces the androgens. Androgens are the male sex hormones, and the chief androgen is testosterone. Getting me? Right. Now, what are the functions of the testosterone? Listen. What are the functions of androgens? The androgens controls the development. See, androgens generally they required for development, maturation, and functioning of secondary sex organs. Getting me? See, the androgens required for androgens required for androgens required for okay, see the development, maturation, functioning. Development, maturation, and functioning of secondary sex organs or accessory sex organs. These are epididymis, okay, vas deferens, epididymis, vas deferens, seminal vesicles, okay, right. Next, prostate gland, and urethra. Okay, see this growth and development, maturation, functioning, okay, see depends on androgens. Getting me? Right. Next, the androgens, see, control muscular growth, and also androgens controls growth of hairs. Okay, the facial hairs, axillary hairs, and aggressive behavior, aggressiveness, okay, and what it is, low pitch voice. Getting me? See what it is, the androgens control muscular growth, the androgens control muscular growth, and growth of hairs, facial hairs, okay, and axillary hairs, growth of facial hairs, axillary hairs means the pubic hairs, armpit hairs, they are known as axillary hairs, and aggressive behavior or aggressiveness, okay, and low pitch voice, aggressiveness and low pitch voice. Okay, see the androgens control muscular growth means muscle growth, and what it is, the growth of facial hair and growth of axillary hair and aggressiveness, and what it is, low pitch voice. These are all controlled by the androgens, right? Next, okay, androgen stimulates the process of what it is, spermatogenesis. Androgens stimulates the process of, okay, spermatogenesis. Spermatogenesis means the production of sperms. Androgens stimulate the process of spermatogenesis, and also androgens affect the central neural system. Okay, see, androgens affect the central neural system and also control the what it is, the male sexual behavior. Androgens affect the central neural system and control the male sexual behavior, that is libido or what it is, a sex urge or sex drive. Getting me? See what I said, androgens affect the central nervous system and see, they controlling the male sexual behavior, that is libido, and what it is, the sex urge and sex drive. Getting me? And also androgens effect on protein and carbohydrate anabolism, and also the androgens effect on, okay, they affect on protein and carbohydrate, okay, anabolism, carbohydrate anabolism. Getting me? See, so that androgens are considered as anabolic steroids. Androgens are considered as anabolic steroids. Okay? Because of the effect on protein and carbohydrate anabolism, so that they are considered as anabolic steroids. Generally, the steroids are the derivatives of the lipids. Okay? They are testosterone, estrogen, cortisol, aldosterone. These are all the derivatives of the lipids. Here the testosterone is considered as anabolic steroid because it affect on protein and carbohydrate anabolism. Getting me? See, these are the functions of androgens, and the chief androgen is testosterone. Getting me? The chief androgen is testosterone, and especially, see, the testosterone controls the development of secondary sexual characteristics and spermatogenesis. Getting me? Right. Next, see the disorders of the testosterone. See the disorders of the testosterone. Here we'll discuss the two disorders. One is enochoidism and the second is gynecomastia. First is enochoidism and the second one is gynecomastia. Okay. See, the first one is enochoidism. Disorders of the, okay, enochoidism. See, okay, see the less secretion of, okay, the less secretion of, okay, at puberty, the less secretion of testosterone or hyposecretion of testosterone leads to, okay, see what it is, the small size of secondary sex organs, small size of secondary sex organs. Okay, see the small size of secondary sex organ, or there is no growth and development of the sex organs. These are what it is, the prostate gland, seminal vesicles and penis. Okay, this is about what it is, enochoidism. Getting me? Right. The second one is gynecomastia. Okay, this gynecomastia means here the less secretion of testosterone and increased secretion of estrogen leads to gynecomastia. Less secretion of what it is, the testosterone, and increased secretion of estrogen leads to gynecomastia. It is nothing but a swollen, what it is, the breast tissue is known as gynecomastia. Especially it occur in male being. What it is, less hyposecretion of what it is, testosterone, hyposecretion of testosterone, and hypersecretion of what it is, the estrogen leads to swollen, okay, breast tissue, okay, or enlarged breast, okay, occur in the male being. That is known as gynecomastia. Okay, see, this is about what it is, testosterone or androgens. Getting me? Thank you.